Welcome to our channel. Thank you for joining us today. I'm sure you've heard the news. The year 2024 was a landmark year for the crypto world. We saw the first Bitcoin ETFs approved in January. This was a monumental event. Then just a few months later, we got Ethereum ETFs too. These approvals signaled a major shift. Regulators were finally opening up to the idea of cryptocurrency ETFs. This paved the way for explosive growth in 2025. The approval of Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs wasn't just about those two coins. It was about the legitimacy of the entire crypto space. It showed that Wall Street was taking notice. This opened the floodgates for a wave of new crypto ETF applications. The future looks very bright for crypto ETFs. Experts predict a surge in crypto ETFs in 2025. We could see over 50 new ETFs hitting the market. These won't just be simple spot ETFs either. We're talking about innovative products. Imagine covered call ETFs on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Think about equity, ETFs tied directly to Bitcoin's performance. We could even see the emergence of Bitcoin bond ETFs. The potential size of the Bitcoin ETF market is staggering. Some analysts believe that Bitcoin spot ETFs could grow larger than physical gold ETFs. This is a testament to the growing acceptance and adoption of cryptocurrencies. The ETF wrapper is a familiar and trusted vehicle for investors. It provides a convenient way to gain exposure to crypto without the complexities of direct ownership. With Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs already launched, the question now is, which coins are next? The frontrunners are clear: Litecoin, XRP, and Solana. These three cryptocurrencies have strong fundamentals and significant market capitalization. Each offers unique advantages that make them prime candidates for ETF approval. Litecoin, often called digital silver to Bitcoin's digital gold, has a strong case for approval. Its classification as a commodity by the CFTC gives it a regulatory edge. Nasdaq has already filed an application for a Litecoin ETF, putting pressure on the SEC to act swiftly. XRP, the native token of the Ripple network, has also gained traction. A recent ruling clarified that XRP is not inherently a security. This removes a major regulatory roadblock. Solana, known for its high-speed transactions and low fees, has also filed for an ETF. Section 4. Navigating the regulatory landscape. While the regulatory environment for crypto is evolving, challenges remain. The SEC is taking a cautious approach, carefully evaluating each application. For XRP, concerns about Ripple's centralized control persist. Solana's legal classification as a security is still being debated. These uncertainties could delay their ETF approvals. However, the overall trend is positive. The current administration is seen as pro-innovation and supportive of blockchain technology. This optimism extends to the crypto ETF space. As the SEC gains more clarity on regulating digital assets, we can expect a more streamlined approval process for future crypto ETFs. Section 5. Crypto ETFs, a bridge to the future. Crypto ETFs represent a crucial bridge between traditional finance and the world of digital assets. They provide investors with a regulated, transparent, and accessible way to participate in the crypto market. The approval of ETFs for coins like Litecoin, XRP, and Solana will be a significant milestone. It will not only benefit investors, but also enhance the legitimacy and stability of the entire crypto ecosystem. Crypto ETFs are not just another investment product. They are a gateway to a new era of finance. As we move towards a more digital and decentralized world, crypto ETFs will play a vital role in shaping the future of investing. Disclaimer: this essay is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Investing in cryptocurrencies and ETFs carries inherent risks. Consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights on the future of finance.